What's going on, guys? Jim here.
Identity theft is not a joke, Jim. Millions of families suffer every year.
So guys, today we are going to be turning the red Grom into, and now we are a lean, lime green, wheeling machine. So I gotta thank my buddy Mark over at Bismoto for hooking me up with this plastic set, because as many of you know, if you follow me on Instagram and stuff like that, I ordered a set of the highlighter yellow plastics from Thailand. My exhaust came from Thailand in a week. My plastics have been sitting in customs for about 17 days now. So I got a little tired of it. So what we're gonna do is when my plastics finally come in, I'm just gonna pretty much give Mark those plastics because he gave me these, so he's gonna did a trade, which I assume he's just gonna sell them to get some profit off of them. So which is cool with me. I don't care. I'm just happy I got these. So now we're probably gonna be doing some time-lapsey sort of stuff because I don't think you want to sit here through the whole video and watch me curse out these plastics to try to figure out how to get them on and off. So I might be doing some time-lapse stuff to just make this a little bit more fun. Guys, so we are continuing this little vloggy thingy because since my life is always go, 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 I ran out of life or battery or I don't know, space on the memory card. So here it is. Here is the high-vis Grom, and I'm being laughed at. So I think I said something wrong, and
I ran out of life.
I ran out of life. I just dead. So, yeah, so there it is, guys, and yeah, it's pretty cool, and I'm all high-vised up right now. So, yeah, yeah, I don't know what else to say. Hopefully the time lapse turned out somewhat cool. I don't know yet, but I don't know. What do you guys think? It's pretty sweet, right? So now we are going to sticker it up with some like different like hooligan style decals and stuff, and then we're debating. We're gonna definitely do the forks, probably gloss black. We're debating on the calipers. We're gonna probably paint the calipers a different color. Allie was saying maybe like a gray, right? Oh god. Like a gray that kind of goes with like this. That'd be kind of cool. So and it's all wet. I hope that wasn't like piss. So yeah, it's gonna be good. And I don't know, we're probably gonna continue this somewhere else. So bye-bye. All right, guys, we are at our next destination, the rooftop at the parking garage. What is this, St. Cat's or just Kenosha Hospital? Kenosha Memorial Unified Hospital. I don't know.
You just made that.
Yeah, I just made that up. We got the little bike squad going right here. Oh God, we just had so much fun. I cannot wait until, whoa, your helmet just. Yeah, I can't wait until I get the camera mounted, and Chris is gonna get his mounted, and we're gonna do some like dual vloggy type stuff. Oh God, we were hooning around so hard. So much fun. And if I didn't mention earlier, this is Mark Bismoto. He was the one who helped me with those to get those before mine get released out of customs. So that's about it. I don't know where we're heading next. Nuclear plant? Maybe. Might see you guys there. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
guy from Kenosha DMV. He's like, where'd you go?
All right, this is awesome. We are in Zompton, Illinois at the disbanded nuclear power plant, and I got some awesome lighting pros right back here helping me out. I got like 8% battery, so I think this is gonna be it for today's vlog slash install slash random video. Thank you guys for coming out, and as always, love you guys. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, get out here and ride safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. All right, guys, I got 5% left. We're back in Kenosha at the spot. Nope, still not, kind of getting it. We're at the spot now. Yeah, that was some interesting time in Zompton. We had this guy, yeah, I'm gonna block Mark because he hasn't done a face reveal.
Yeah, that's fine.
So, God, dang it. This is terrible. So, there was a dude in a moving truck when we were in the abandoned nuclear power plant area. Dude in a moving truck like came up and down, like sketchy as hell, and he like went around the gate, got stuck in a swamp, and wanted us to help him. And there's no getting out of there, so we left his ass. Sorry, dude.
We told him not to.
Yeah, we told him not to. You know, we're like, hey man, that gate, it's chained up and everything. So that's no-go zone, yeah. But I think this is gonna be it. It's 12, almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Another great night on the little bikes with these fellas and lady. So I can't wait to get more bikes out here, more little bikes. We got to get a big little bike crew, and then we'll have more people swearing at us down on a nice Saturday night in Kenosha because we were tearing shit up. Last thing I heard that guy say was something like, "Yeah, motherfuckers." So like, I didn't know he was like cool with us or anything.
I
He
don't
was
know.
telling you to do a burnout or
Yeah,
something?
he said do a burnout.
Yeah, he was like,
He was doing this,
Oh.
and he's like, said do a burnout. So I stopped in the middle of the road and did a burnout.
cool. All right, guys. See you later.